hello from America. We finally got to America safely. Our first week back was pretty crazy. We're really busy trying to settle back in. But I did film some clips here and there, so I want to show you guys like a quick glimpse of our first week back. My friend stopped by and gave me these really beautiful flowers. Thank you, Jessica. So yes, here is a glimpse of our first week and then a slight empty house tour as well. Go, go, go. Want to miss this, please.
와우. 선아. 와. 도착. 자, 오리지널 동그라미 마트에 왔습니다. 그래서 sit. First breakfast in US. 맛있어, 어때? 이거 이제 많이 먹을 거야, 우리.
맨날 먹을 거야?
맨날 아닌데 자주 먹을 거야.
We are here at IKEA.
우리 안 피한데?
We picked up our dresser and Aiden is building it inside the closet. What?
이거 봐.
Oh my god, you have to use that much nails for this? Okay, after 2 hours, Aiden finally finished.
2시간.
It took around 2 hours. We did our first grocery shopping, kind of filled up the refrigerator. We also bought this set because we didn't ship the one from Korea because it was so old and rusting.
펜은 없잖아.
Guys, so our furnitures and stuff are all arriving from Korea tomorrow finally. This dining table, we had this since like 4 or 5 years ago and it was in my mom's garage, so we brought it back. We're gonna place our marble table here from Korea, so we're gonna take this upstairs. And Victoria let us borrow the baby mat because since we don't have a mattress right now, we're actually sleeping on the baby mat. God. Be careful. This was also stored in my mom's garage. It's pretty new because we only used it for like 2 years and then we ended up moving to Korea. But Aiden cleaned everything, so it's super clean now. This is our rice cooker that we also used from a long time ago, and this was also really new. I think we bought this like 2 months before we ended up moving to Korea. Do you guys remember our wedding photo? Your face kind of got chubbier. So happy that I finally have a dryer because in Korea we lived without a dryer for 4 years. So I had to always hang dry our clothes. And our rooms. Pretty empty. We're sleeping on the floor because our mattresses arrive on Monday. Let me show you our bathroom really quick. It's pretty big. We're gonna use this entire upstairs as his baby and like wedding studio. This place is still kind of messy. He's trying to set up his studio. We have a game room there and it's gonna be like a studio with all the backdrops here. 1, 2, 3 rooms up here. Good morning, you guys. Today's finally moving day. Our boxes just arrived from Korea finally. So yes, there's an 18 roller outside of our house. So because of the COVID situation, we knew it would take a long time for our things to arrive here. It took about less than 2 months, like 1 month and 3 weeks for our stuff to get here. That's why we shipped off our stuff ahead of time.
엄마는 잘하는데 뭐가 엄청 많네요. 안녕, 진들.
To America, I think we shipped it off in like mid-March. So So it's finally here. Just check off list for us to make sure all our things are here. We have a total of 67 boxes. Okay, there's 6 more boxes left. Here's our dining table. Okay, they finished unloading everything from the truck. We'll probably have the house tour video maybe by next week. We still have to wait for our mattress. We ended up selling our mattress in Korea like on the last day when we left. So we ordered a mattress as soon as we got to America, but it's taking longer than we thought. But
We'll probably hear next Monday.
yeah, so we've been sleeping on the floor without a mattress, but I think it's gonna get here in 3 more days. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye guys.